So in this video we will learn how to add two 8-bit numbers using 8051 microcontroller trainer kit. So basically this is our trainer kit, and when we first switch on the kit, then we will see this command prompt. So we will use A for assembly, we will use G for execution of the program, and we will use M for the to see the contents of the memory location. So let's first see the program which we are executing today. So this is the program. So the starting address is 3000. So basically 8051 microcontroller is basically based on registers. So we will move the first number 04 into the register R0, then we will move the second number 05 into the register R1. Then we will move the number from R1 to accumulator or the register A, because all the arithmetic and logic operations will be done through the accumulator only. Then we will add both the numbers A comma R0. So the result will be in accumulator. Now we will define a data pointer. So the data pointer is defined as 3012H. So now this is the initializing of the data pointer. Then we will move the contents of the accumulator to the data pointer through this command move x at the rate of dptr comma a. So this is the command through which we can use to move the contents of the accumulator into any memory location, and the memory location which we have defined is 3012H. So the result will be at 3012. So we are adding 04 and 05, so the result will be 09, and SJMP 300A. So this is the short jump instruction. So this will end the program. Now we will enter this program on the kit. So we are using this keyboard to enter the program, or for the assembly of the program. So press A, then press ASM ORG 3000, because 3000 is the originating address. Now press MOV R0 comma. So this hash symbol is used to denote that this 04 is a data, not a address. Move R1 comma. So this is the second instruction. Then move A. So if you enter any wrong command, then you can press the backspace key. Then again press enter. Then 3005 we write add A comma R0. Again press enter. At 3006 write H. Then at 3009 we write MOVX at the rate of dptr comma A. Then finally SJMP 300A. Press enter. So use the escape key to come out of the assembly. Now we will press G for execution. So G, and we want to execute from 3000, because 3000 is the starting address. Press enter. So executing is completed. Now press the reset key. So now we want to see the result. So press M, and we want to see the result at 3012, because 3012 was our location where we are storing the number. So press 3012 and press the space bar. So 09. So at 3012 the result of our addition program will be stored. So 3012 was the address, and 05 and 04 addition is 09. So you can again use the escape key to come out of the program. So this was our program, and we have done it using 8051 microcontroller trainer kit. Similarly we can subtract to 8-bit numbers as well. So that program we will do in the next video. So if you have any comments or if you want to know anything, then you can post in the comment box. Thank you, and best of luck.